has committed crimes under Sections 13(1)(a) and 62 of the National Cohesion and Integration Act, and ground 9, gross misconduct that is incompatible with the high calling and dignified status of the office of the Deputy President and a member of the Cabinet and the National Security Council. His Excellency the Deputy President has publicly attacked and undermined the work of the National Security Intelligence Service and its officers. Honorable members, you will recall that on Tuesday, 8th October 2024, 282 members, being more than 2/3 of the members of the National Assembly, voted in support of the special motion for the proposed removal from office by impeachment of His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, AGH, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, on 11 grounds. The upholding by the Senate of 5 impeachment charges out of those set out in the special motion therefore concludes the consideration of the process as provided in Article 145 of the Constitution. The House is accordingly informed. Honorable members, in furtherance to this, there is a message that is being prepared to be delivered in the next few minutes. Honorable members, the second communication is on the appointment of members to a mediation committee of the Division of Revenue Amendment Bill. Honorable members, as you are aware, on Wednesday, 16th October 2024, the House rejected the motion on consideration of the Senate amendments to the Division of Revenue Amendment Bill, National Assembly Bill number 38 of 2024. This decision essentially committed the bill to a mediation committee in accordance with the provisions of Article 112 of the Constitution and Standing Order 149. Honorable members, Article 113 of the Constitution requires that wherever a bill is referred to a mediation committee, the Speakers of the Houses of Parliament shall appoint an equal number of members from both houses to attempt to develop a version of the bill for consideration by Houses of Parliament. In this regard, honorable members, having consulted with the leader of the majority party and the leader of the minority party, I have appointed the following members to represent the National Assembly in the Mediation Committee on the Division of Revenue Amendment Bill 2024. 1, Honorable Ndindi Nyoro, CBS MP, Honorable Mary Emase MP, the Honorable Dr. John Chikati MP, the Honorable David Ocheng, CBS MP, the Honorable David Kiplagat MP, the Honorable Dr. Otienda Molo, Senior Counsel MP, the Honorable Fatuma Jeho MP, the Honorable Dr. Makali Mule MP, and the Honorable Dr. Ojambo Oundo MP. Honorable members, the aforementioned members will await the appointment of senators to the mediation committee for the committee to be fully constituted for purposes of commencing the mediation process. Once I receive a message from the Senate to that effect, I'll convey the same to the House. Thereafter, the mediation committee will embark on an attempt to develop a version of the bill for consideration by the Houses of Parliament in accordance with Article 113 of the Constitution. The House is accordingly guided. Thank you. Yes, Honorable Pokose.
Honorable Speaker, Article 149 of the Constitution provides that within 14 days after a vacancy in the office of the Deputy President arises, the President shall nominate a person to fill the vacancy, and the National Assembly shall vote on the nomination within 60 days after receiving it. Honorable Speaker, recently in passing the special motion for impeachment of the Deputy President, you guided us that we required at least 233 of us, being two-thirds of the members of this House,
Order, Honorable Pokose.
To pass this motion.
And you jumping the gun?
No, I'm just seeking your guidance, Honorable Speaker,
Okay,
whether we need the same threshold in this case.
Okay, go on.
So, Honorable Speaker, is the same voting threshold applicable in this case? I seek your guidance following your communication from the Senate.
You are still jumping the gun.
Okay.
We have a communication from the Senate which requires no comment.
Okay.
When I give the next message, that is when you will be able to seek that clarification.
Thank you. You are guided.
Hold your horses. Next. Betty, if you have no horse, hold your mule. Hold your mule.
Order number 3, messages. Order number 4, petitions. Order number 5, papers.
Yes.
Order number 6, notices of motion. Order number 7, questions and statements.
Yes, Honorable Wamboka.
Honorable Speaker, yesterday you guided that today morning the chairman of Education Committee was supposed to bring a response with regard to opening of Moi University. Kindly, I seek your indulgence, Honorable Chair, so that...
Which chair?
The chair, Meli.
Yes.
So, Honorable Speaker, I seek your indulgence so that we can have that university opened. Thank you.
Honorable members, that 2 chairmen I directed to bring preliminary statements this morning. Honorable Meli on Moi University, and I think Raso, did I also direct you to bring something? Let's start with Meli.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I stand here to respond to your direction yesterday that indeed Moi University is in a crisis, and as I submitted the statement from Honorable Wamboka on the issue of the university. However, Mr. Speaker, I received a response which is very inadequate, and it could not address the issues that Honorable Wamboka and this House demanded from the Ministry of Education, and more importantly from the PS. And therefore, Honorable Speaker, it would not be good that I redirected again that all the salient issues that were raised in the statement be addressed, because it was such a generality that it could not address those particular issues. So I decided not to read that particular statement, and I took it back to the ministry. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.